For me, my world is my child and my family. Nothing in this world is more important than them. When a little late motherhood, so then it is like you are completely obsessed, scared. Hey, mere bachche ko kuch hona hai. Hey, mera bachcha. When I delivered Rudransh, I went up to 86 kilos. When I would take my child out for a walk, a certain neighboring auntie who I wouldn't even know from garden में ले जाती थी. They would come, अरे तुम तो मोनिश हो ना, कितनी मोटी हो गई हो. I was doing parvarish, and then I just decided that I wanted to enjoy the space. I didn't know whether it was coming back into my life, and a beautiful journey as Anupama lets me be myself. I am not conscious of my body anymore because hey, people, he's very sensitive about saying things or whatever. He's very caring.
One of the most amazing human beings, someone who is not just warm-hearted, but also someone I really look up to, Rupali Ganguly. Welcome to Bollywood Bubble, to my special show, which is called Super Mom. I don't think this series of mine would have been complete without you. अनुपमा बोल रहे हैं आजकल, आप उस नाम से फेमस हो. माँ वर्ड उसी में आ रहा है. But I know that you are someone who has this motherly instinct for anyone you meet also. Like you are someone who is so warm to people. I remember the first time I met you and I felt like, oh my god, she's just too warm. मतलब expect नहीं करते हो आप कि इस तरीके का response आपको मिलेगा from a celebrity, So you're very distinct from many other people that I know. I was just going through one of your interviews wherein you mentioned how being a mother was something which was a dream to you at some point, getting married and having a child. Do you remember the first time you held your son? How was that feeling like?
Okay, before I go ahead with that question of yours, thank you so much, Bhavna, for all the kind words. I think I'm going to be floating 2 inches above ground level. So thank you. First time that I held my son in my arms, I was very excited. I probably was the first woman who was excited to be in labor. I was laughing because, I was so excited that I am in labor, my baby's coming. Not a single thing that I've forgotten. I was in labor throughout the night and it was just fantastic, yeah.
But I was also going through the same interview wherein you mentioned that there were some complications before that you had to go through before you could conceive. Conceiving में थोड़ा issue था आपको. Was that period difficult for you? Because a lot of times women tend to get judged if they can't conceive, or वो period बहुत emotionally dull होता है किसी भी women के लिए. How did you deal with that situation?
Women get judged no matter what, and it kind of completely warps your thinking. It kind of completely fuddles your brain. And initially ये था कि there was low fertility count, तो उसके वजह से फिर थी issues. ऐसा नहीं था कि oh my god ये वो. I did consult quite a few gynecists, and miracles do happen. So it was a natural conceiving and a natural birth, a normal delivery. So I was overwhelmed. I mean, God was going out of his way to be kind to me. And it judge तो ऐसा कोई भी किसी ने judge नहीं किया because किसी को problem पता ही नहीं थी. It was just it was just between me and my then boyfriend. And के test कराना था, ये था वो था दुनिया भर का. And then we got married, and then Rudransh happened, and pregnancy हुई है वो करके. So it was किसी को nobody knew about it to judge me, but after having the baby, so there is I don't know if I should be talking about this, but yes, all women out there, I really want to say this. It's okay, if you have trouble conceiving. Important thing is your child to be healthy. Do not call yourself out. Do not berate yourself. Do not put yourself down. If you, there is this whole thing about, mother's milk is the best milk for the child. And lot of things that you should eat healthy, which is so true. You will lose weight if you breastfeed your child and everything. But I did not like it. So I used to be obsessed, and yes, that is where I was judging myself. Okay, I have failed as a mother if I can't even kind of do this basic thing that nature ka hota hai. Even that I can't do for my child. So it kind of mentally harassed me. So you ate everything that, अच्छा तुम ये हलीम खा लो तो इससे होगा, ये खा लो. It was not as if कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं हुआ, लेकिन yeah, it was much less. जितना बच्चे को चाहिए था उतना नहीं था. So then ये खा लो तो ऐसा होगा, ये खा लो. करते from 58 kilos when I delivered Rudransh, I went up to 86 kilos. And when you went out, when I would take my child out for a walk, a certain neighboring auntie who I wouldn't even know from garden में ले जाती थी. They would come, अरे तुम तो मोनिश हो ना, कितनी मोटी हो गई हो. So who gives anybody a right to judge a mother? Nobody knows the kind of issues that a woman is going through. I was blessed that I had a supportive husband. I had a supportive family. But there's a lot of things after a child is born. You want to give your best. You want to do your best. You want to, just be the super mom. It's okay. Just being a mother is enough. You have a healthy child. Thank God for it. And stop calling yourself out for certain things that you might have not done. When Rudransh rolled down, from the bed and hurt himself, I went into oh my God, I have failed as a mother. So every time, constantly, I was like, I have failed as a mother. I'm a bad mother. Nahin. वो तो बाद में, after a point when you're out of that whole thing, it's okay. I can survive on Nan also, huh?
I was about to ask you, what helped you come out of that phase? Because you need someone to tell you at some point that, okay, you need to...
My husband, totally. He said, it's okay. It's fine. और कोई issue नहीं है. You're like, it's okay if your son is also on that tinned milk powder. So it's fine. It's okay. Don't kill yourself over it. So I think believe in your genes.
Between marriage and everything, you took a break. So people जो होते हैं around, they must be like, कि why you had a very good career, why did you leave? But did you get all those questions as well?
Plenty. And I worked till the 8th month, till the 6th month of my pregnancy. I worked, yes. So I was working, I was doing parvarish, and then I just decided that I wanted to enjoy this phase. I didn't know whether it was coming back into my life, and it didn't. So I wanted to enjoy every moment. And for me, like I said, my ambition was to be a housewife, get married and have children. Actually, lots of children.
Yeah.
That... वो तो आई थिंक एवरी गर्ल ग्रोस अप विद द ड्रीम ऑफ परफेक्ट मैरिज. वो होता नहीं है, बट मेरे को ऐसा नहीं था कि परफेक्ट मैरिज या वो ऑस्टेंटेशियस वेडिंग, वो तो कभी नहीं करनी थी. आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस थिंग कि जो भी शादी का जो भी खर्चा है, आप वी वुड रादर डोनेट इट टू समबडी, गेट ब्लेसिंग्स, इंस्टेड ऑफ हैव पीपल कम शादी में खाना खा के उसी को ना, अरे क्या खाना रखा है. आई डिडंट वांट दैट.
But tell me, I mean, when Rudransh finally came in your life. Rudransh.
Yeah, I have to tell you this also. You see, my husband's family, I had decided to name, if I had a boy, it would be named after Shivji. I love Shivji. So it would be Rudra. Okay? And if it was a girl, she would be named after Mata Rani. So वो आद्या मैंने नाम सोचा था. अब हुआ लड़का. हाँ. So then जब पेट में था तो मैं उसको कृष्णा करके बात करती थी कि चाहे लड़का हो लड़की हो, कृष्णा है. So जब हुआ तो लड़का हुआ, तो जब मेरे को मेरे हस्बैंड के पंजाबी फैमिली साइड का फोन आया, तो बोला कि क्या नाम सोचा है बेटा, तो मैंने रुद्र. तो कहने लगे कि अच्छा रुद्र. तो ऐसे नो रुद्र. नो अच्छा हाँ रुद्र. सो नेम चेंज. उसके आगे अंश लगा दूंगी तो कोई बोल ही नहीं पाएगा. तो पंजाबी साइड ऑफ द फैमिली कॉल्स हिम कृष्णा. Okay. Achha. And I didn't realize I underestimated my Bengali side of the family also. So my father called him Rudransh. I said, Papa, it's okay. Call him Krishna. तो बेचारा रुद्रांश when he grows up he'll wonder मैं कहाँ किस family में आ गया.
No, he'll be very happy to have such a wonderful family who is just like, you know, जो मर्जी में आए वो बुला लो यार. At the end of the day, soul is Rudransh. But tell me, उसके आने के बाद life कैसे change हुई? Finally आपके dreams सारे पूरे हो गए थे. मतलब एक तरीके से. But how did life change? Because you were not used to having this little one in your, you know, in your busy life as well. So कैसे change हुआ?
No mother is used to having a child यार. हमारी मम्मियाँ कौन सा prepared थी. And motherhood, parenthood. Yeah, but parenthood, motherhood does not come with a manual. सबके अपने अपने तुमको अपना जर्नल खुद बनाना पड़ता है, अपने experiences खुद लिखने पड़ते हैं. At the most milestones वगैरह होंगे इंटरनेट गूगल पर, but उसके आगे हर एक की अपनी जर्नी एक अलग ही बहुत मजेदार होती है एकदम. You know, you just forget that you exist. You totally forget that you exist. That little those tiny little hands, that those tiny little feet, you're constantly worried कि it's वो जो saying है ना कि when you have a child, it's like you allow your heart to walk out of your body. So that is so true for me. I was obsessed, and you know, when a little late motherhood, so then it is like you are completely obsessed, scared कि हाय मेरे बच्चे को कुछ होना, हाय मेरा बच्चा. So you become like overprotective, and that way अभी तो I kind of learned to let go. Thankfully I had my husband who kind of, you know, who guides me and tells me it's okay, just calm down. It's okay.
Yeah.
He's eating French fries for dinner. Why is he eating French fries for dinner? So he's like, it's okay, it's fine, it's once in a while. No, when you get cholesterol when he grows up. He's saying, stop getting worried for like 30 years later.
I think Rudransh would be like, Papa, please take mommy outside for a day. I want to eat French fries.
Chilling. मैं हूँ नहीं घर में, ठीक है, मुझे मिस करता है, लेकिन वो है अपने ही calls his father बापू. Okay. So वो भी came out very funny. It was like his first word was pa. माँ तो बोला ही नहीं, बहुत लेट बोला. But उसके बाद एकदम मैंने अच्छा बापू chill मारो लाइफ में, ऐसे something I was saying to Ashwin, and he picked up बापू from there. तो तब से बापू ही बापू है. And Rudransh's friends, everybody call Ashwin बापू. And अरे बापू आ गया.
But Rupali, I remember, and this has stayed with me for the longest time. Like I had been wanting to talk to you about this. That जब हम अनुपमा के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे मिले थे और मैंने आपको वो ब्रेक के बारे में पूछा था, and your answer had really stunned me because आपने एक लाइन बोली थी जो मुझे बहुत struck की थी. Wherein you said that when you had gained weight because post pregnancy, you couldn't look at yourself in the mirror because you would feel like, you know, you couldn't accept at that point कि मेरी body अब इस तरीके से होगी. What will people say when you go out for acting gigs? Because that happens a lot as well. There's a judgment that is passed body को लेकर. I mean, what was that phase like for you? Because I know of so many women in general who face this dilemma. And pregnancy के बाद I have seen so many people who just can't accept themselves in their body because of course body changes. It changes and only a woman can understand that.
It's not about pregnancy, Bhavna. It's about a mindset. There are times when women eat because they're depressed. It's times when there's a lot of emotional eating, there's comfort eating, there is happy eating, there is being in love eating. We women have a lot of hormones for eating. And जब थोड़ा भी body change होता है, चल तो मेरा तो drastically हुआ था, but थोड़ा भी अगर body change होता है तो उन्हें accept करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. It's not that anybody, like I said, it's not about anybody else judging you. It's what you think about yourself. It is about you accepting yourself that, hey, I have changed. So, you know, not that you're not prepared, that you will get wrinkles, okay? You will get wrinkles. You will, your body will sag after a point, your arms will become loose, your skin will be stretchy after a point and all. All these things are there in your head, but when it actually happens, to accept it, it does take, you know. And probably we actors are a vain breed. We are a bit self-obsessed. And for me, when you're known for your, the way you look, and you're judged for the way you look, you kind of get work for the way you look. People kind of appreciate you for the way you look. Okay, talent comes later, but it's all about looks initially. So it does affect you quite a bit. But I'd like to tell all the women out there, and it's your body. It is the body, especially to pregnant women. It is the body which has nurtured your child. It's okay. There are celebrities out there. Even I look at certain celebrities, and I'm like, wow, बच्चा होने के बाद भी इतनी पतली कमर, क्या क्या फ्लैट स्टमक. Oh my God, look at that. कमाल का योगा कर लेती है, पैर ऊपर सर नीचे, क्या करते हैं यार, कमाल है ये. वो मेरे से नहीं हो पाता. तो ये नहीं है कि नहीं करना चाहिए, करना जरूर चाहिए, लेकिन नहीं हो पाता मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. ऐसा था कि मैं घर में थी, बच्चा देख रही थी, और मैं करके आ रही थी. मैं कहने को तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रही थी, लेकिन मैं कहने को बहुत कुछ कर रही थी. मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं होता था. So please do not put yourself down because of your body. Just be happy that this body is carrying you. This body is helping you do things for your family. This body is helping you, stay fit in these times, COVID times and everything. It is the body which is like supporting you the maximum. The beauty of Anupamaa is it lets me be myself. I'm outside here on the outdoor. We shoot, we eat, we shoot, we eat, we shoot, we eat. So yes, I have been enjoying food, and I have seen people, a lot of them on our sets who are on a diet, who count how many chammach dal खाइए, दाल तो खाते नहीं है. But there are people, and this beautiful journey as Anupamaa lets me be myself. I am not conscious of my body anymore because hey, people love me for who I am portraying. Our mothers always look like this. Where were they like 36, 24, 36, na?
No,
so,
true. But
yeah,
but was that journey hard? That journey of acceptance? Because I am still, to be very honest, I am someone who is very critical of my own body all the time.
Bhavna, it was quite difficult. But I'll tell you what, this thing exists a lot in us women, where we are like, अरे यार, हल्का सा भी अगर आधा किलो भी बढ़ गया ना, hey Ram, I become fat. Oh my God, I have tires. Oh my God, I'm wearing this tight top and my stomach is showing a bit. My love handles are showing a bit. My thighs are like wobbly. My, etc., etc., etc. It's never ending. But I would just really tell women out there that just love yourself and the world will love you. It's easier said than done. This is the body God has given us. Let us just accept it. And, the real attraction comes from there, from the heart. Yeah. यहाँ पर चाहे जितनी भी सुंदरता हो, अगर यहाँ पर आप सुंदर नहीं हैं, तो यहाँ पर कभी भी वो सुंदरता रहेगी नहीं.
True. But has it ever happened that while you were during that break, people would come to you and suggest that, अच्छा Rupali, if you lose a little weight ना, तो फिर we can.
बहुत लोगों ने बोला है, लेकिन more than anything else, it was my health. I did have difficulty in walking. My hands and legs are not that fat. So तब जब 86 kilos आप suddenly हो जाते हो, तो आपको you do have problems. चाहे वो little back problems or your ankles hurt, थोड़ा सा भी चलते हैं तो सांस फूल जाती, तो ये सारी चीजें होती है. तो for health reasons, I knew I had to do something about it. And first and foremost, I stopped berating myself, and I was very happy buying those dabbas of doodh for my son. And just giving up the fight after, I think, 11 months of trying my damnest best obsessively day and night. पहले वो accept किया कि ठीक है भाई, ये एक चीज मुझ में कमी है, पर कमी जैसी कमी नहीं है. It's okay. My child will survive. Despite this, my child will be healthy. Despite this. So वो एक acceptance major वो था. उसके बाद then it was like, then suddenly ये 3 साल तक कम करना वेट, थोड़ा कम करना, ये करना वो करना. जब सारा भाई 2016 में किया तो I was 76. तो 10 किलो ऑलरेडी कम कर चुकी थी मैं. And then JD bhai said कि 3 महीने में पतला होना है. So when you have that thing कि अच्छा 3 महीने में पतला होना है, you have that push. So then पहली बार जिंदगी में जिम ज्वाइन करा, फिर उसके बाद डाइटिशियन को पकड़ा, उसके बाद ऐसे सब करके suddenly I was 58 kilos again.
Wow.
Yeah, so in 3.5 months, and उसके बाद फिर वापस happily, फिर उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा है नहीं कि कुछ मन नहीं क्या करने का, बच्चे को छोड़ के वो 1 महीने में सारा भाई के रियलाइज कर ले कि मैं बच्चे को छोड़ के नहीं जाऊंगी.
मैं अभी उसी पे आने वाली थी कि do you feel that guilt as a mother, because I know mothers.
I feel very 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 guilty. I feel very guilty, but you know what keeps me going is my husband, and he says, you know what, when your son grows up and he'll see this body of work of yours, he'll be proud of you. And यार किस्मत से actors को अपना due मिलता है, and this is, I think Anupama has and Rajan Shahi have finally given my due as an actor. So ऐसा एक thought था कि जब इतने साल नहीं किया तो अब भी छोड़ दो यार, अब थोड़ा और बड़ा होने दो रुद्रांश को, उसके बाद जाऊंगी काम पे. बट शायद तब होता ऐसा नहीं था कि काम नहीं था या ऑफर्स नहीं आते. थैंक यू, गॉड हैज बीन वेरी काइंड. बट शायद अनुपमा जैसा शो मिलना तब नहीं होता. And I knew I wanted to do this because the show is very, very, very close to my heart. It kind of makes me feel as if it's my father who's there writing this script.
Yeah.
It's like my father's kind of you know, the kind of films that he made. Anupama is that.
नहीं, but ये तो I have to tell you that Anupama, you know it. I keep telling you whenever possible that there's just so much relatability. I just sometimes feel that my mom also feels the same. I'm assuming. Oh, I have also done what maybe Toshu has done, or
we've all done it. I've been Paki. My mother couldn't speak English, and I used to be very embarrassed about it. So yeah,
really?
We've all done it. Absolutely.
Yeah. I was about to accept that. You know, there were times when we also feel.
Anupama brought me closer to my mom. It made me realize that kids are so insensitive. They are so insensitive. Mothers are constantly. My son, to Baba, tu. He's very sensitive about saying things or whatever. He's very caring. But I, as a child, was so insensitive. I probably still am sometimes, But you're so comfortable. It's not that you love your mom less.
Yeah.
But you kind of, take her for granted.
But you tell me, how has Rudransh grown up to be? How is he growing up to be? What kind of a child is he?
Like I say, he is my miracle child, and he's a blessing, yeah. मैं क्या बोलूं, हर माँ के लिए उसका बच्चा दुनिया का सबसे बेस्ट बच्चा होता है. मेरे लिए भी है. He's gonna change soon, and whatever he wants to do it. Like, he wants to buy me a house, he wants to buy me a car.
अभी से.
So yeah, अभी से. तो that's sweet. और क्या चाहिए मुझे? और क्या चाहिए?
Who is he closer to?
He's his बापू's baby, completely अपने डैड का चमचा है. मतलब
because he allows him to French fries, ना? He allows him to, मतलब एक चल जाता है उनको ना, इसलिए I guess.
हाँ नहीं, but दोनों father and son, and Ashwin has suddenly picked up this cooking skills during lockdown, and he's become like a mini master chef. So father and son are cooking and having a lot of fun.
But when you are away on shoot and everything, I mean, how do you make sure that you are still present with him? Because he must, after such a long break with being with you for long hours, now reduced to smaller hours, little hours. How is he coping up with this?
He tells me, "Aaj chutti lo, mama," and I take it. So I have to tell him, "Beta, 1 week pehle, these people also understand, and they give me like a day off in a week. So yes, I get to spend time with him. Like when he had come here, I did get my 2 days off to spend time with them. And then I have this wonderful, girl called Anita. And we call her Buddhi. And she's like a second mother to him. She's been with him since he was a year old. May God bless her. And between Ashwin and Buddhi, I don't think he even misses me at all now. I'm just so left out. I'm feeling so
I can see it while you're talking also, that if given a choice, you would just run back to him right now.
I would run back. But then we also have the responsibility of 120 families who depend on this show. So it's not, there are so many other mothers, the hairdressers, there's so many other people away from their families, and they do have small children. So ठीक है, time.
But आप मुझे बताओ, कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है, a lot of times when mothers, I'm talking from my experience as well because I see my mother doing that when you are investing so much in your child, you sometimes tend to lose yourself while doing that. You don't give importance to yourself. Has it ever happened? मतलब आपका तो मुझे पता है starting में तो बहुत ही हुआ होगा, but finally have you reached a point wherein you also give yourself that well-deserved time?
मैंने अपने आप को अनुपमा करने की अनुमति दी, इससे ज्यादा क्या इम्पोर्टेंस दूं? इससे ज्यादा क्या, seriously, like, और क्या? But yeah, you completely lose yourself. For you, your world is your child, and for me, my world is my child and my family. Nothing in this world is more important than them.
But I wanted to know that you know, while shooting for your show, there are so many emotional scenes that you perhaps have to do. You have to do. There are so many emotional scenes. Has it ever happened that you really break down? मतलब real में breakdown हो गया हो आपको because of an experience or because it hits a note or a emotion that you must have felt in real life as well?
There are a couple of scenes which I really had, you know, it's come straight from my heart. Scenes with Paras especially. वो एक scene था खासकर, that remains my eternal favorite scene. Where Toshu says I have to go to Bombay, I'll settle down there. And then I come into the kitchen. Then I tell Baki, I said, it's okay if he has to go. I will never stop my children from doing what they want to do. And then Summer comes in the kitchen and he says, अगर मैं चला गया तो?
Yeah.
So and I say कि मैं मर जाऊंगी. And actually अगर, you know, if मैं अभी तो सोच भी नहीं सकती, लेकिन if Rudransh were to grow up, and Ashwin always says कि अमेरिका में 16 साल में बच्चे already चले जाते हैं, they go and, you know, live on the campus and everything. यार हम तो मतलब जब तक शादी करके 30-35 साल तक घर में पड़े रहे माँ बाप के पास. So ऐसे मेरा बच्चा 16 साल में चला जाएगा तो what will I do? अगर if he goes, I'll just die. I mean, if I'm out of the house, it's fine. But if he goes out of the house, मेरे को पैराना या तो नीचे खेलने जाता तो भी मेरे को स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. So I don't know, yeah. It's just very
what kind of a bond do you share with him? Like, are you a strict parent? Are you someone who is like, you know, friendly? मतलब किस तरीके का bond है उस?
I think parenting for me is a mixture of everything. I am not strict with him. Ashwin is the one who disciplines him, and Ashwin is the one who makes him study, and Ashwin is the one who feeds him, and actually the mother is Ashwin. मैंने तो सब पैदा किया है. Ashwin is doing everything for him right now. I'm not doing anything. And when I have my pillow fights with him, I enjoy myself with him, and he's a delight to be around. Putter, we both go on talking. And yeah, he talks less. Some बात करता है. ऐसा नहीं कि oh mummy, you know what happened मेरे लिए. He's कम बोलने वाला बच्चा. लेकिन बड़े सारे jokes crack करता है आजकल. Suddenly 7-year-old. And he has a mind of his own. He's, I think, yeah, Ashwin controls him. What am I doing? Good question, Bhavna. What am I doing? I'm redundant already.
Not at all. Thank you so much. I wish it would have been in person because of COVID, it couldn't happen in person.
Positive thought.
Fingers crossed for that. But thank you. I have always said this and I will always say this, that you are someone who goes beyond. Like for me, you are someone who is not. You go beyond an actor and a journalist friendship when it comes to this, because I genuinely adore you. And thank you so much. Thank you.